Hi, this is Tori with Share the Soap. I wanted to pop in today and show you our Make Soap at Home kit. We're going to be having a soap along in a little over a week on Thursday, July 23rd, and I wanted you to see what comes in the kit. So this is everything you need to make 4 generous bars of soap. So when you open it up, I don't know if I can get my camera to give you a better angle. I'll just hold things up because I can't seem to get it to go where I want. And my tripod's at the workshop being used for a meeting right now. So we'll just make do. So first of all, being safe when you're using the lye is really, really important. So we have 2 pairs of gloves in here for you. And then we have a pair of safety goggles. Now, if you wear glasses like me, there's an option to get special goggles that will fit over top of your glasses. You'll want to make sure you put down that you need that option if you wear glasses. If you wear glasses but you can be without them for just a few minutes, then these that come in the kit will work just fine. All right, and next we have your coloring. This is a blue metallic mica, and you get to choose your own colors and your own scents when you make your soap. Then there's a little bottle of essential oils. Everything's pre-measured, so you don't have to worry about measuring everything. You're just going to mix and add and have fun creating. Oh, it smells so good. This one here is a woods smell. So this is cedarwood, tangerine, rosemary, and juniper. So you don't have to go out and get all the separate essential oil blends. We do it for you. Try to make it easy so that you can enjoy your soap making experience. Then you'll have a business card in here. It seems like I'm going through these in an odd way, but it's because all this is packed in just so that it'll all fit to get to you. When you make soap, you will not be able to use it for 3 or 4 weeks. So this is a little sample piece that you can enjoy until your soap is ready for you to use. This is your bag of oils. Now, again, I said that we already blend everything for you, so you don't have to do that, but there are high quality oils in here. I'll put this close. You can see it's organic coconut oil, cold pressed olive oil, lard, organic castor oil, organic shea butter, organic cocoa butter, and organic soybean oil. So, and actually this recipe, this blend of oils is almost exactly the same as what we use for most of our soap. So there you go. Then you'll also have a mask because of the lye. This is your container that most of this comes in, and this is also going to be where you mix everything together, and it's going to be your soap mold. So there's a little snap-on lid from when we're done to make sure that that stays in clean and everything in your container, and nobody can get hurt by the soap while it's sitting overnight. This is your lye, and this is why you have all the safety gear in there, because we're making real soap. It's not a melt and pour. We're going to use lye, and it's okay to handle like this because it's all packaged up and contained. It's a powder. You can hear it. But when we get ready to open this up, we'll have all of our safety gear on. And in fact, I've done a safety video for you to watch ahead of time, just so you'll make sure that you're able to be safe and you know what to do. Even while supplies last, I even have a little pair of scissors to open this up because you'll need to cut it open. And then this is the water that you'll mix with the lye. Again, it's pre-measured, try to make it really, really easy. This is your little mixing cup. And this is an apron. And then this is the one little item that everyone, when they come to the soap parties, say the whole thing was worth it just for this little whisk. It's so cute. So there you go. There you have it. Oh, one more thing I wanted to, I forgot to bring it from the workshop. You want to make sure and add a soap dish onto your order because soap melts in water if it's left to sit. And so you already have shipping coming with your kit, so you might as well throw in a soap dish. And Esther, you know what? Look in that green bucket right there. Did I bring over a soap dish? Nope, I must have set it down. Anyway, you know what a soap dish looks like. If you go to sharethesoap.com, you can see we have 2 brand new ones in now. There's an African cherry wood. It's beautiful, exotic wood. There's also another one that is poplar wood. It's a boardwalk style, and those are a lot of fun too at sharethesoap.com. And if you want to join us to make soap, make sure you hurry up and get signed up. The deadline is really soon. Saturday, July 18th, which from today, depending on when you're watching the video, it's just a couple days. So if you don't get signed up by then, you won't be able to join us this time around because I won't have time to get the kit to you before we make soap on July 23rd. And if you can't meet with us on July 23rd, it's going to be recorded. So if you can't meet with us live, you can watch the recording for up to 2 weeks. So you can make your soap step by step with us, and you can feel very confident that you'll be safe with the lye and you'll have a lot of fun. If you've never thought of making soap before, well, now you can, and you have everything put together for you. So if you have any questions, you can go to Tori at sharethesoap.com, or you can go to Facebook Messenger and message me at our Share the Soap Facebook page, or you can go to sharethesoap.com and there's a contact on there. So you should be able to get a hold of me if you have any questions. Hope to be soaping with you soon. Bye.